welcome back to the journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And to my subbies and my Loc friends, you know what's up. Glad to have you guys. But today's video will be all about how I did Bantu twists, Bantu knots, Bantu twists after my retwists. I'll be totally honest, I had no idea what I was doing, but they came out great. I will have to see when I unravel them because I want the nice curly look. So I'll have to see how great I was after I unravel them. So stay tuned for my next video upload when I take these out to see if they actually curled. So we're just gonna get into it. Go and hit that subscribe button and come twist my hair with me. During the Bantu twist, I will be using oils in between, so that's what you'll be seeing me doing. And also my hair is dried because I just did a fresh retwist, so I did not want to re-wet my hair again. For these Bantu knots, I'll actually be trying the Senegalese method, and this is where you twist each strand as you go. So this is my first time, so definitely bear with me. I'm a bit slow on these, but we'll get through it. To secure the Bantu knots, you can either use rubber bands or hairpins. At this point, I decided to try something different just to see if it would make a difference with the curls. So this is the only one I believe that I did that with. Nope, I did not miss these 2 locks. I left it out intentionally. Finally finished. Didn't take too long, but something new, so I'm excited. Fresh retwist and a style. So ladies and gents, you see that I got through it, and I'm happy that I did because it's kind of cute, you know. I might leave this in for like a week, just rock it and then take it down. One downfall that may impact not curling is that I didn't wet it. So because I did a fresh retwist, I didn't want to re-wet my hair when I was twisting it. So that might impact the curls, but we'll just have to wait until I unravel it and see that beauty. So thank you again for watching. Do hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Comment, definitely comment. Let me know your thoughts. And share with everyone that you know. And I'll see you until next time. Much love. Bye.